what's this letter say? What's this one say? Shaden. What's this one say?
Exciting.
What's this one say?
Exciting.
No, this one.
H.
What's this one?
E.
What is that one?
A.
What's this one?
D.
What's that one?
O.
What's this one?
N.
Good job. What's it spell?
That's a.
No, it spells Shaden. What? You counting your money? What are you gonna buy?
Right?
What are you gonna buy?
You right.
Are you gonna buy candy
Boy, hey.
or toys?
Toys. Look. The toys.
Yeah, your toys are over there.